surprise! Surprise!
Surprise? What happened?
Surprise, I'll tell you what happened.
Honey, talk to me. What happened? What happened?
Honey.
What happened? Come. Are you serious? You're pregnant? Oh my God! What do you mean? You are pregnant?
Yes.
You see, there is nobody in this country that will not hear about this. I'm going to call all my colleagues. I will start informing them now at the beginning. So they should know the starting point, then they should know the day of your delivery. Hey! Something happened. Honey, let me tell you one thing. This is going to be a boy.
It's a good news.
It's a boy. Oh God, thank you.
Honey, take care. Take
Hi! Well,
let's chess.
Honey, like I said, I was wondering why these 2 glasses of juice. I never knew you were coming up with something.
This is the good news.
Wow. Honey, share again. More life, more money, and more children. Ow. Oh, this news really came at the right time.
Yes. What will be praying for?
I expected this news last month, but not. But now,
God did it.
Hi. Oh yeah. Oh.
Honey, sip more with this joy in your heart. Keep sipping.
Honey, in fact, I was trying to count this morning so that I am not counting again. It's for you.
Yes, sir.
It is for you.
Yes, sir.
God, you see, I've been telling my colleagues that one day I'll become a father. And now I am now about becoming a father. Is well.
A father. You're a father.
Hi, you will carry my baby. Kai, honey, if I'm going to work, I'll put the baby in the baby seat. I'll drive to office. I'll bring out the baby. I'll go into the don't worry. It's well.
This baby must be handsome.
Are you cooking something?
No.
I was perceiving something.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, something is born.
Are you sure that Caleb did not?
That idiot.
Let me cook later.
Oh yeah.
Honey, I'm coming.
Hi. Let me call my superior. God, there's nothing you can. Hold on. I will call you back. What is it? Why are you jumping up like a cow? What is it? What? Hey, the mood I'm into right now, Not even the ghost in your village can change it. I am in the happiest mood. Didn't you hear that my wife just conceived? Okay. But shut up and talk. Hey, I don't supposed to be harsh this moment. Hey, listen to me. Listen. Whatever you are here to tell me, you should keep it. The bottom line now is that my wife is pregnant. Caleb, just join me to celebrate this good news. My wife is now pregnant. Oh my God. Oh my word. What would I have done? Hi. God, let me go back to the call I wanted to call before this idiot barged in and I wanted to spoil my mood. What are you doing with this? This boy, did somebody pay you to just spoil my mood? Do you want me to fire you? My wife that walked in here now and told me a good news that she's pregnant, and I'm about calling my superior to tell him what happened.
Okay, she's lying.
What's that inside? Is it chemical? So what are you? What do you mean I should like? Do you want me to die?
No. So that you find out what your wife is up to. Please, just don't do it.
I should pretend like as if I'm dead.
Yes, so you know what she's up to.
Honey, can you believe that this
Just go.
Caleb put rice
Go for it.
inside the fire and Caleb could not even check everything proper? Eh?
What was
Do
that?
you know that Caleb is boiling rice? She did not check it. Eh? I've told you to stop employing a male housemaid.
So this boy don't know
In
how
this
to
house.
use the gas.
Do I know?
This expensive gas. Anyways,
Honey, take your juice. Keep it on.
Is that?
Yes,
I want to get shocked. I want to take
This
this news.
This is the news.
I know it's not. I suggest let me.
And it goes straight to your mouth. This one is for you.
Let me pour a little inside.
I'm okay. I've not finished my own.
It's alright. So on it, you told me some things about your mom. There's something I'm thinking in my head.
Honey, just sip your juice. Just
Hold
finish
on,
it. You know, this good news.
Let me
deserve
do
a
this
good
thing that
celebration.
just. No, let me do it now that I remember. You remember your mom's account number, right?
Yes.
Oh, put it here. Let me. What bank?
CBS.
Okay.
Honey, just
Hold on. So just keep it. Take it easy. I don't like this.
It's for you just to take it and it will replenish your intestine and it will tango.
Sorry.
Let
I
me
just
take it because
sent your mom 5 million.
Eh?
Yes. So but
Honey, thank you.
it's alright. You, I heard a noise.
Eh?
Inside my stomach, but
That is how it's supposed to be because this drink is meant to stop the stomach.
is there any chemical in this thing?
Chemical? This is natural.
So just like if there's playing football in my stomach.
Football?
I heard back. Aye!
This is what is supposed to be happening.
What is this? Hi, something just like 2 elephants jammed inside my stomach.
2 elephants. I thought there should be a plane crash.
So, this thing is getting severe.
It's getting.
Aye! I thought it just subsided. No.
Thank God your phone is open. It's open. Your phone is open.
Wait. Just.
Don't worry. Let me call the ambulance. Let me call the ambulance. Yes, I'm calling the ambulance already.
On it.
Hey, my love. Hey, it's grinding. It's grinding.
Anaconda.
Inches.
Anaconda. Like a snake is
Hello,
moving.
babe. Yes, it's reacting already. It's reacting. You will soon die. Yes. You will soon die. Let me go and pack my bag. I'm coming. Before I'll pack my bag, He's dead.
Ah.
Succeeded. Yes, done. I'm coming right now.
Hey! So this place...
Hi, God. Oh. Caleb, please, in case if your unguarded body, you dispose it. Oh. What is going on? Yes, babe, I'm coming. Just wait for me at the mall. Wait for me there, I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes, he gave me some money now. He gave me some money. I'm coming. Just hold on. Okay. Jesus!
You're looking for this key, right?
Yes.
Come and take. Caleb! Caleb! Please come. Caleb, thank you very much. No? May God bless you so much. So, everything you told me, they're all plain, very plain to me. So this is who you are.
She's a good wife.
So this is who you are. That I was busy counting money that was meant for the betterment of the family. You came in with only God knows the surprise. Surprise, and I thought you want to surprise me, whereas we're busy poisoning my drink. Assuming Caleb did not use, you say use what? Get it?
Hey.
Caleb used house packer to pack the nonsense that you were adding here. See how God used that young man to save me?
I am gone. Oh.
You are gone, and you are gone forever.
Hey.
You can be this wicked, still living under this roof with me. Good. This is what you intended adding in my drink. Huh? Assuming this boy did not see you, so I will just after drinking, nobody will give account of what happened to me. Because you already made your provision of how to run away.
So no single.
If you don't shut up, I will slap off your teeth.
You're supposed to be single one that.
Oh, lucky enough, no one entered. Can I have the money I give to you?
I've used it. Oh.
Can I have the money now? Don't let me say it again. Good.
Oh, honey.
Come, just let it go. For your information now, thank God you've carried your bag already and you've called your boyfriend. Huh? I'm so happy about that. So you are about leaving my house. So the same way he's waiting for you at the mall now, go there and meet him.
No, honey. I was talking to my. I was talking.
Open the door, and if you know the way you can bundle this elephant, just bundle her out of my house.
Honey,
bundle her any way you want to, the way you want to do it, bundle her out of my house.
But honey, we are husband and wife. I'm pregnant though.
Go and meet the idiot you just called now. Get out.
I'm pregnant.
Your plan has failed. Caleb, I said, bundle her out. I say you should bundle her. I don't know if you are afraid of bundling her out and you're just jumping like a cat. Huh? Well, Caleb, thank you very much, huh? Thank you very much. Anyways, I'm done with this thing. Please go and try them. I am going out, huh? If I come back in the evening, but meanwhile, what? Did she spray water on my phone?
Shake whether it's poison.
Is it poison?
I said you should shake.
What nonsense is this? Huh? Check, is it poison? Go back to your duty. When I come back in the evening, I will talk to you, okay? Yeah, just make sure you close it. Make sure you cook, huh?